In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a DHL business account. Now to do this, first you want to go to their official website. You want to click on ship here in the top left, and as you can see where it says start shipping, you want to click on request a business account. So to open a business account, you're going to have to request it. So click on over here, and it's going to take you to where of course you can request it. And if you go down here, you have to go through these 4 steps. So the first one is going to be shipment. So as you can see, to find your service match, you have to select all that you ship on a regular basis. You have parcels and documents, or you have like cargo and then mail and direct marketing. So for example, I'm going to go parcels and documents over here. You can of course do multiple things and then click on the next step button over here. Then you have to type in the volume, so how much you usually ship. You have to do average number of shipments over here. I'm going to type in, for example, 20. I'm going to do daily, and then down here I'm going to do, for example, worldwide. Then here you have to select what delivery speed do you typically need. I'm going to do, for example, standard, and I'm going to click on next step. Now of course you're going to have to fill this in according to your own current situation. I'm just clicking some buttons to show you the process. Now over here, as you can see, it says you're eligible, and if you are eligible for a following service, which of course is down here, you'll be able to get connected in the next step. So in my case, that's the only one. If in your case you may be from a different country or like have a different situation than I did over here, and then you want to click on continue and contact over here, and you're going to have to fill in your contact info like company details and the contact person as well. And then you want to click on the send button down here at the bottom when you're done, and that's going to send them a request, and they're going to get back to you, and you'll be able to talk about opening a business account with them. Okay, so we can directly do it. You have to go through the application, and then you have to talk to them to see if you actually are suited to have a business account. That's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.